Hello friends, how are you? Today share how to make money online at home without investment. So let's share this video how to make money online without investment. So friends, please watching full video and you free make money online. Okay? So first open your Play Store or Apple Store and then search icon Google Play, search CLIPCLAPS clip clubs and then enter your search, and this app you see this app logo and name, and first you download this application. Your rating 10 million download. So first download this application, and about this app this time you have say account, first account, and refer earning, video upload earning, and games play earning. So is big option earning easily. Step by step, A to Z, continue this video and climb make money online without investment. So this app installing, please wait few seconds. App install successful and next work. Please continue this video and like and subscribe my channel and like this video. Okay, and already install this app, then open this app and you enter your first account. You interest Google, continue Google. You interest Facebook, to continue Facebook. Okay, so I have a click this account anything. Okay, account create, click and create account easily, and click and this account create. Okay, your male or female and your nickname. Okay, your nickname and male or female, select choice a profile picture and skip this profile picture. Okay, so and get anything profile and then next. Okay, and next button your interest, gaming, technology, lifestyle, movies, automobile, sports. Okay, my interest, and next, and create your account. Okay, and your refer earning or video earnings, refer earnings, rewards, spend, bounty crash, anything. Okay, registration bonus, you have a registration bonus $0.01 after 24 hours registration. Okay, and my refer code, and this my coin earning anything. Okay, I hope understand this application. Download account and refer to automatic earning. So this video has been finished. I hope understand. Please like, comment, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.